Hi, I'm Pear, and I'm a coordinator and content creator at the Royal Thai Embassy in Stockholm. Today, I'm also a participant of the Femina's Vox Forum, just like you. During the session, while listening to our inspirational speakers, I've been doing the graphic recording to summarize the key contents and would like to share them with you. My life's principle is to use the power of art to connect with humans' heart. And this is to remind myself and perhaps with others of how we can empower women's rights and fight for our new changes. There are four critical themes: rurality, social justice, arts, education, and positive masculinity. So before we dive into our journey, ask ourselves, in what fields can we build and support more for our humanity? Rurality. Dear women, our mother of the world, reimagining rurality to recreate new reality. It's not about where you are, but more about how you live. Male-dominated or being isolated. Let's collaborate to identify, support, and accommodate each other. Don't let anyone deter you. Remove all the taboos and do more prevention. Get trained and wash away all violations. Remember, resilience is the key. Know your place and embrace Mother Earth and society. Self-acceptance, persistency, and full of hope. No matter how far we are, look up, the Milky Way. All of voices must be heard. No matter how hard it seems, never give up and listen to your heart. Social justice. Unfortunately, not all humans understand the importance of women. Unfortunately, still some countries deprive the basic rights and equality for more discrimination. Hey, women, we are the vanguard of peace. Stand up and believe in ourselves, because we together are stronger than walking alone. Promote, protect, and respect the rule of law, because all professions and possibilities deserve to be women. So keep learning, advancing, and taking action. You have rights to claim your seat, to ensure your views and voices are heard, and to re-ensure no more women get hurt. Art, education, and engagement. These are the challenges. Working at fairly early age, forced marriage, being told for your whole life you are incapable. Don't shoot yourself down, but shout out loud and sing. Sing for love, for your freedom, and dare to dream. Chase your visions. Don't let anyone stop you. Shift from negativity to positivity, because you don't owe anybody an explanation. Focus on what you are, not how you look, and write your own story. Find inner peace, have dignity, and help others to grow together. Lastly, positive masculinity. Patriarchal society, we need to change mentality. It's not about what gender, because every human is a creator. Barriers, gaps, and taboos created by who and who has to be the victim. Hey, brother and fathers, let's bring pride and honor in our ethics, the ethics of the heart. Provide all support, educations, time, energy, money, generosity, because LOVE is the long-lasting solution. Believe in her strength, challenge your leaders, care for her, because no souls should be lost along the way. Those are my quick summary for the Femina's Vox Forum. Women's Day should be the 365 days of celebration. As I'm also a woman, I feel honored to be part of this forum. Before we end, I would like to invite you to think of the face of your greatest women in your life. If you already see her, what would you like to say to her after this forum? Spread your positive energy and be thankful to every woman. Thank you.